SKYLIGHTS Steel Building Kits. A commercial-grade product. Fully customizable. You'll be assigned a dedicated project manager. There are various frame options to choose from. Materials come pre-primed. And you get your choice of panels. Framing your openings adds structural support. There are many door and window options to choose from. Let some light in with translucent panels. Customize with overhangs. Insulation. Wall liner. Ridge vents. Gutters and wainscot. Use our color visualizer to choose your colors. All buildings are engineered to your local code. And delivered to your job site.